Go, 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 go! Go play! Go, go play! Go, go play! Go play! Go play! Go play! Do something! Go! Shoot! Shoot! Go! Go! Go play! Fine, I don't care.
So here are the cats, Midnight, Snickers, and Mousy over there, okay?
Okay, got that.
Good care of them.
I will. Moose! Peckers! Kite Man! Kite Man! There you are, Kite Man! Oh yes, it's Kite Man! It's Kite Man! Oh, get Pickers. Moose! Moose, where'd you go? Okay, bye. Look familiar. Are you the cat I was supposed to be babysitting? You. And you. No, I don't really care. I have other things to worry about. Have I ever told you about my grandson Simon? Because you look just like him. You look just like him because he had black hair and he had big eyes. And this might sound a tiny bit offensive, but he had very, very big ears. And you are very, 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 what's the word? Hi, Snickers. Here's a rock I got for you. My name is Madeline, and I am your pet sitter. I gave you this rock because I think you deserve it. It's a little friend for you. Hi again, kitties. Or kitty. I got you 2 baseballs because maybe you like playing baseball. Just maybe. Hi, Snickers. I'm so sorry to hear that you're sick. So I got you a water bottle just in case you're thirsty. And I got you some Germ-X just in case you need it. Hi, Snickers. I'm so sorry to hear that your owner died. So I got you a pair of your shoes so that you can, like, you know, really feel that he's here. Oh, Snickers. I know you can't move because you're paralyzed. So I got you some sunglasses just in case it gets really, really sunny. I don't think they fit though. There you go. Actually, you know what, Snickers? You might need all this stuff, but it's kind of getting boring just doing one thing at a time. So look what I got you. I got you this big house for all your friends in here. And then I also got you the outdoor hot tub and spa.